Have made it to another year at Erie County Fair.
That's right, Kungaloosh Adventures. We are at the Erie County Fair going down the food midway in search of some delicious fair treats. Funnel cakes.
Funnel cakes, gyros, the works.
Lemonade. Kungaloosh.
Kungaloosh.
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
So although we are from Buffalo and we get a lot of great pizza, this one New York style booth, well worth it. Check it out if you have a chance. Really good. I don't know if this slice is worth the $4, but usually they're pretty big. Just finished that pizza. Deep fried tacos, gyros. So the gyros, we've been all about those. You might have seen us talk about them before. Them deep fried tacos, might have to get a new thing this year. So let's move.
To the big town where there is a lot of sound. From the jungle to the city, looking for a baby crowd. So I play.
About them euros. Delicious. Multiple times in one visit to the fair. Not like one time a day, but
you just gotta come here and get all the euros. I mean,
yeah,
they're so good. That meat.
There's Suzuki. Look at this.
Yeah.
Bam. That's called one with the works. Everything on it.
Super good.
Can't go wrong. Boom. Beefy and it's cheesy and it's looks like there's some hot sauce on it. Yeah, for being a first time, not disappointed, that's for sure. Deep fried taco. Heading into the bazaar buildings, checking out some of the crafty tents and things. Lots of various stuff going on. As you can see, there's a whole slew of them. You can't go far without going a little Funko. Pop Funko. They're everywhere. Look at these things. Look, Tyrion Lannister. Look at that, that's my dog right here. Not literally, but...
So here we are inside one of the horse barns where actually quite a few of the horses that pull the carriages and things around the fair reside. It's a pretty big barn and all of these horses are huge. Several of them have their manes braided. Some of them even have glitter on their hooves. Pretty cool.
The Garden Train Society. Really nice train. Do a good job. Bit of a derail situation happening that they are remedying as we speak. Very soon, should be up and running. Very nice little display here. Agri-building, look at all the fun things to do. And see, look, all
this is the demo capital of the Erie County Fair.
Yes.
I could literally...
Those leg squeezers on there are so good. The leg squeezers, feet squeezers.
I could do it right now.
Wind twirlers, you have jewelry, showers, massage chairs, everything. Clothing, insurance. What do you need? Barbecues? They got barbecues. They got ladders. You got it all. Look at that. I don't know if we can do a full hog, but full hog.
Look at this. This is Ryan's favorite. So yeah, lots of cool stuff here that you won't find anywhere else.
Dragons. Hey, what a nice headband that is. Etsy shop. Lots of food samplings, things to see. Erie County Fair opening day. As you can see, the crowds are starting to come out. It's gonna be a good time.
After 5, people are at work. Day 1.
Yes, so make sure you come out. About another week and a couple days.
Put your hands together for Luke Skywalker. There you go.
Skywalker. I think I'm going for ham solo or chew bacon. 1 and 3.
I'm so sorry. And, we have a delay of race right now. Jabba the Hog has decided to use the Force in the starting gate. And the Force is very strong with this one, if you know what I mean. And we're off to
Are you crying? You're adorable. He just takes it out.
We lost. That silly pig pooped before the race and won. Was lighter in the hooves. Must have been.
This one's got like a jacket on.
Well, we're gonna wrap up this vlog here at Erie County Fair 2019.
2019. Next year, the Erie County Fair celebrates its 200th anniversary.
That's crazy. 200 years in the making. Lots to do, yeah.
200 years of food, agriculture, games, shows, the whole shebang.
The whole shebang is right. So I hope you enjoyed it. Check out some more of our videos. Check out our old channel. Check out our friend Disney Belle's channel. She was hanging out today. As well as our good friends Alex and Katie. We'll see you on another adventure real soon.
Congaloosh.
Congaloosh.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch your head and step as you exit.